In this video, we'll explore how to upload images and files to a page. I'm going to start by going to the Resources page. This shows all of my files and images used on the site. For this example, I'm going to create a new resource category so that I can upload all of my files and images for my new training page in one place. I'll click on Categories and then Add New Category. My new category will be called Training Resources. I'll save this new category and go back to the Resources page. Next, I'm going to choose the Training Resources category from the bulk upload screen, and I'll drag some files in from a folder on my computer. Once my files have been uploaded, I'll return to the dashboard. Now, I'm going to go edit my training and support page. Now, I can click on the image icon to insert the image I just uploaded. I could also directly upload an image from here, but for now I'm going to choose the one I uploaded. Next, I'm going to create some text that I will link to the document that I uploaded. I'll highlight the text and I'll click the link icon. I can find the PDF I uploaded in the link list. When I click OK, my highlighted text is now linked to the document I uploaded. I'll save these changes. Now my page has been updated with a new image and PDF link for my visitors to download.